The Bleame Crystal Hair Eraser is touted as a quick and painless hair removal method that leaves the skin feeling smooth right away. Shaving cream or any other substance are not necessary. For a hair-free body, all that is needed from people is constant scrubbing in a circular motion. In fact, the Bleame trademark Crystal Hair Eraser doesn't even need any refills and is projected to last up to a year. How does the Bleame Crystal Hair Eraser work? The nanocrystalline technology serves as the basis of the Bleame Crystal Hair Eraser. As the device is gently massaged on the skin, the technology causes hair to clump and split off the surface. In addition, people will be pleased to find that this technique has exfoliating effects for baby smooth skin. How is that even possible? It's because glass and crystalline elements were used in the construction of the Bleame Crystal Hair Eraser. Now that we've figured out how the Bleame mechanism works, it's time to investigate its features. What features does the Bleame Crystal Hair Eraser have? The Bleame Crystal Hair Eraser's ability to remove the pain and mess is already a major selling factor, but of course, the more functionalities the product has, the better, right? Here are the features that caught our attention the most. Easy to use. It should be clear by now how simple it is to use the Bleame Crystal Hair Eraser. Circular motions must be used when rubbing this device against the skin. According to the creators, no matter the terrain, the eraser hugs your curves. Or, to put it another way, it works equally well on the arm, leg, and chest areas. Long-lasting and reusable. The Bleame Crystal Hair Eraser is a durable device that doesn't need to be recharged or refilled. In fact, it has been engineered to endure up to a year, making it reusable as well. The outcomes attained have also demonstrated its durable quality. In other words, the goal of the integrated technology is to reduce hair growth after just a few sessions. Eco-friendly and travel-safe. The environmental well-being is enhanced by the Bleame Crystal Hair Eraser. How? By eliminating the usage of plastic and keeping 3 million disposable plastic razors out of landfills. This hair eraser is an everyday product that's effective, affordable, skin-safe, and sustainable. In contrast to razors, which are typically prohibited on flights and other forms of transportation, the Bleame Crystal Hair Eraser is also a hair eraser that is suitable for travel. Hair-free future. The Bleame Crystal Hair Eraser is successful, according to clinical tests that evaluated the product's efficacy. In fact, 90% of customers noted an improvement in skin firmness overall, 94% noticed a decrease in ingrown hairs, and 95% were pleased with the way their legs looked. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Now you can pick your best Bleame device here. Please share this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell icon for the upcoming new video notification. Thank you.